Welcome to GCSE Geography. Today I will be looking at three key questions. What will I study and how will I be assessed? Why should I take geography at GCSE level? And where can geography take me? If you have any questions after this presentation, please contact your geography teacher or a member of the team using the emails shown. Let's get started. What will I study and how will I be assessed? GCSE Geography has 8 units of study assessed over 3 exam papers. Exam 1 is called Our Natural World, and this focuses on physical geography topics. You will gain an appreciation of the natural world around you, including tectonics and weather hazards, climate change, the UK's distinctive landscapes, and the global ecosystems which support life on our planet. Exam 2 is called People in Society, and this is made up of human geography topics. You will explore the complexities of people in society by studying why more than half the world's population live in urban areas, why some countries are rich while others stay poor, what the UK is like in the 21st century, and why human reliance on key resources can lead to a country's demise. In addition to the 8 units, there is also a compulsory fieldwork opportunity. You will complete 2 types of fieldwork. One will focus on physical geography, where you will investigate coastal management within the UK, and the other will focus on human geography, where you will investigate how a local city has changed over time. For each of these, we will be leaving the classroom to visit the locations where you will collect your own primary data. When you return to the classroom, you will interpret and analyse your data and write a short report to show what you found. The fieldwork will be assessed within both the Our Natural World and the People in Society exams. Finally, Paper 3. This is called Geographical Explorations, and it assesses your ability to think critically about real-world issues. For example, a previous exam focused on the issues faced by cities, including flooding and overcrowding. To answer this part of the exam, you will have to use your knowledge of all 8 topics that you will have studied to help you develop opinions, arguments, and make decisions about how you will be responding to the issues faced. This type of exam is called a synoptic exercise or a decision-making exercise. Geography is all about asking questions, and here are some of the questions that you will find the answers to within each of the units of study. In Unit 1, we will ask, how can weather be hazardous? Why are extreme weather events becoming more frequent in the UK and across the globe? What is the impact of hurricanes and droughts? Can hazardous weather events be stopped, or can we reduce their impacts? And why is this person riding a motorbike during a hurricane and storm surge? How complete tectonic shape our world? Why are these people living in and around a volcano? Surely that's crazy, right? How can you design an earthquake-proof building to save lives? And why are people in poor countries impacted by global hazards more than anyone else? In the Changing Climate unit, we will ask questions such as, how has the weather in England gone from the River Thames being a frozen ice skating rink in the wintertime to having scorching hot summers with packed beaches? Can a supervolcano eruption change our climate permanently? Would this be the event that leads to our extinction? And why does Donald Trump say that global warming is not real, despite all the evidence saying otherwise? Unit 3 will focus on questions like, how has the last ice age, waves and rivers created the distinctive landscapes across the UK? What processes take place to erode the UK's coastlines? How many people have lost their homes or their lives to coastal erosion and flooding? And how can we manage these situations in the future? Within sustaining ecosystems, we will investigate, why did the President of Brazil not want to stop deforestation in the Amazon? What is it like in Antarctica and the Arctic? And why do all countries want a piece of Antarctica? Surely it's a frozen landscape. Why are tropical rainforests being exploited? And will humans ever learn to live in harmony with the environment? Urban futures will pose questions such as, what is life like for people in cities? Is it the same in a rich country or a poor country? What is a slum? And do people really live like that? What is a megacity? Do countries develop at the same rate? Dynamic development makes us think about what has led to some countries becoming really rich while others remain poor. How can we measure a country's development? By looking at their toothbrushes? Is it always easy to make a country develop the same as everyone else? Topic 7, UK in the 21st century asks, how has the UK's population changed over time? How far is the UK an ethnically diverse country? What was the UK's role in Afghanistan? Why are the UK TV shows such as Coronation Street, Downton Abbey and Peppa Pig helping to maintain the UK's global appeal? And finally, resource reliance. This forces us to ask, why are World War II Dig for Victory posters just as relevant today as they were in the 1940s? What are milk lakes and butter and beef mountains? What if food security was something that impacted me? Would I think differently about it? If any of these questions intrigued you, or you would simply like to learn more, then geography at GCSE is for you. If you need further convincing, here is a section about why geography is important and where it could take you. This shows the wealth of skills and attributes that students gain from studying geography and the wide range of jobs that studying geography can open up. The Royal Geographical Society have stated that geography is a broad-based academic subject which will open up options for you in your future. Employers and universities see geography as a robust academic subject rich in skills, knowledge and understanding. Now, if I was an employer, I would be looking for people that have those skills. Finally, I wanted to leave you with the bigger picture. Fundamentally, geography empowers you to become better informed citizens who can see the importance of making a sustainable world for future generations. Thank you for listening.